Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I will show you how to use form fields component from Angular material in your Angular project. Are you ready? Let's get started. Open your browser and visit this website, material.angular.io, and then after that you should click on component. On the left side we have all the components, and today I will show you how to use form fields like this. For example, first name, or you can select, and you can use text area and etc. Click on form fields, and then after that here we have overview, API, and example. On overview, click on view code, copy the markup. Okay, copy the markup and open your Visual Studio Code. This is a simple Angular project, and open app.component.html and paste it here. Okay, this is the first step. Then after that you should actually import mat form field module from Angular material form field in your app.module.ts. Open this file, and then after that import it here. And once you import, you should add also any in your import array, for example mat form field module. That's it. Okay, and okay, click on overview. Then after that click on code and copy that TypeScript. You don't have to copy CSS, you can actually copy the CSS also. CSS, remove this. Okay, once you import, save everything, and mat option is not a known element. Why? Okay, remove this. Actually, once let's run the ng serve serve. Okay, let's host the project, localhost. As you can see, this is the text field, this is the text area, and yeah, that's how you can use form fields component from Angular material in your Angular project. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.